Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Unboxing the Trends. So today's video is going to be a haul video and I'm going to show you the products which I'm using from The Body Shop. They all are really nice and you can get a lot of discounts during the sale season. The best part about this is cruelty free and this is not tested on any animal, and this is 100% vegan. So let's get started and see their fragrance collection. So the first fragrance we are going to talk about is Fuji Green Tea EOD Cologne. This comes in a glass bottle and it has a very fresh and refreshing fragrance. This is 100 ml bottle and the cost of this product is $11.95. The fragrance is going to last for 2 to 3 hours. This is a very nice, subtle, fresh fragrance and you can use it in daytime. Another really amazing fragrance from The Body Shop is this British Rose EOD Toilette with essence of handpicked roses from Britain. It comes in a glass bottle and the quantity of this is 100 ml. The cost of this one is $11.95 and the best time you can buy these products when there is a sale going on. And if you are the member of The Body Shop, you will get 10% off instantly whenever you buy any product. So it has a very fresh roses smell and it lasts for about 2 to 3 hours, not more than that. Another really intense fragrance is this Smoky Rose Fragrance Mist. I have picked up this by chance because there was this 50% off on this particular mist and I didn't know that it's going to be so amazingly awesome. It has a really rosy, smoky rose, you can say. The fragrance of this is really nice. This is a glass bottle and it comes in 100 ml quantity. The cost of this is $10.95 and I got it for like almost 50% off. If you want to buy just one, you can go for this mist. The fragrance is going to last for 2 to 3 hours and the fragrance is just amazing. Another perfume is this strawberry one. This is really nice. It comes in a really cute glass bottle and the quantity of this is 30 ml and the cost of this one is $8.95 and the fragrance is going to last on your body for about 4 to 5 hours. The fragrance is like fruity, fresh and like strawberry. So you can just keep it in your bag. The bottle is not that big. So next we're going to talk about the skincare from The Body Shop. So this is the Tea Tree Skin Cleansing Facial Wash. This is with the purifying tea tree oil from the foothills of Mount Kenya. The quantity of this is 250 ml and this is suitable for blemishes skin. If you have some irritation on your skin like pimples and all, or if you're facing some skin issues, you can definitely try this one. The cost of this product is $6.95 and this is really good. I've been using this from last 1 month and I'm really happy with the results. So the consistency, as you can see, is really thick. आपको बहुत कम चाहिए ये और थोड़ा सा पानी मिला के it's going to look something like this. So this is one of my favorite products. So if you're dealing with some skin issues, you can definitely try this face wash. It's going to really solve your problem. So another really nice product we are going to talk about is Tea Tree Skin Cleansing Mattifying Toner. This is with the purifying tea tree oil from the foothills of Mount Kenya. The quantity of this product is 250 ml. It's really going to last you for such a long time because you just need a little bit of quantity when you apply it on your face. And this is for $7.95. Whenever you apply toner, you have to shake it really well before applying it on your face. You can apply it directly with your hands or you can apply it with cotton. Basically, you have to wash your face first and then apply toner. Whenever you apply toner, never rub your face. Just dab the toner on your face and just leave it to dry and then you can apply whatever cream you want to apply. So I've been using this toner since long and I'm really liking it. And whenever you apply this toner, you will feel some tickling sensation on your face. So if you want to buy a toner which is going to solve your blemishes problem, your open pores problem, your pimples problem, this is the one you can definitely go for. Another one of my favorite products from the tea tree range is the tea tree oil. This is suitable for blemishes skin. It comes in a glass bottle and the quantity of this is 10 ml and the cost of this one is $6.95. I know it is a very expensive oil, but it's going to last for such a long time because you just need few drops. Basically, you have to apply this oil on your pimples or wherever you feel skin irritations. You don't have to apply it on your complete face. Be very careful because this is a very strong oil. You just have to apply it on your pimples or wherever you have skin irritations. So next we are going to talk about this vitamin E moisturizing cream. It's going to hydrate for 48 hours. This is for all skin type and this is a plastic bottle. The cost of this cream is $8.95 and the quantity is 50 ml. This is a very nice hydrating cream. You can apply on any season. You can use it in summer, you can use it in winters. This cream is going to last you for like 2 to 3 months. So next we are going to talk about this mango softening body butter. So I've been using body butter since long and I wanted to try some different fragrance this time. So I tried this mango one. The quantity of this is 200 ml and the cost of this one is $1,045. I got 50% off on this. This is going to last for a really long time because you just need a little bit of quantity and it is a very nice, it gives 24 hours intense moisture for dry skin and it has a very nice fragrance like mango, fresh mangoes. And if you want to try something different like different fragrance, you can definitely go for this one. So let's talk about the hair products from the Body Shop. So I've been using this banana shampoo since long. As you can see, the quantity has really gone down. This is my second bottle. I have a frizzy hair and this shampoo has really helped me in getting my hair a little smoother and moisturized. This is a 250 ml bottle and the cost of this is $6.95. So you're going to use this shampoo very less because the consistency of this, as you can see, is really thick. You just need a little bit of the shampoo. So whenever you use the shampoo of one product, you have to use the conditioner of the same product. So I've been using this conditioner since long. As you can see, the quantity of this conditioner is 250 ml and the cost is $6.95. This is a banana conditioner for normal to dry hair and the consistency of this is really thick, so it's going to last you for like 1 to 2 months. This is going to be very effective if you have a frizzy hair like mine. Another really nice product is this banana truly nourishing hair mask. So the cost of this mask is $15.45 and the quantity is 240 ml. This is 100% vegan and this smells exactly like banana. So after shampoo and conditioner, you just have to apply it for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse it with clean water and you can see the complete difference. It is going to smoothen your hair and I highly recommend this product. This is very nice. So let's talk about the shower gel. So I have used almost all shower gel from the Body Shop, but today I'm going to show you the British Rose shower gel. It has amazing fragrance like fresh roses and the quantity of this is 250 ml and the cost of this one is $3.45. It is going to last you for about 2 to 3 months. The quantity you need is just little bit. You don't need much like the way we take normal shower gels. Another one is this Fuji green tea shower gel. It has a super fresh, refreshing fragrance and the quantity of this one is same 250 ml. It comes in a plastic bottle. The cost is $3.45. The best time you can buy these products is whenever there is a sale going on, so you can get really nice offers and the quantity you need is really less. As you can see, I've taken only this much. And whenever you take shower from these shower gels, your skin will be really moisturized. You will not feel the dryness on your skin and they are going to last you for about 2 to 3 months. So these are the products I've been using from the Body Shop. I love all of them and they are my favorite. And if you have any questions, please do let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to our channel. And if you're new to our channel, watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.